Hello, this is a brief video introducing you to COVID-19 clinical trials here in Manitoba. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an infection caused by the SARS-CoV-2 or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus 2. What treatments are currently available? Here in Canada, there are no vaccines or proven effective treatments for reducing disease severity. Dexamethasone has been shown to reduce the risk of death in patients with COVID-19 who are receiving oxygen, and this may be used as a part of your routine care whether or not you are involved in a clinical trial. There are several medicines that are being investigated as potential treatments for COVID-19 here in Winnipeg and around the world. Currently, the World Health Organization recommends that new medications only be used in the context of a clinical trial. Our goal is to be able to offer every patient in Manitoba treatment and prevention for coronavirus under the rigorous support of a clinical trial. So what is a clinical trial? Clinical trials are research studies that are performed in people that evaluate a medical, surgical, or behavioral intervention. Clinical trials are the best way for doctors, nurses, and researchers to find out if a drug is safe and effective in certain diseases and infections, including COVID-19. These studies randomize participants either to a treatment group or a control group that receives care as usual. Randomization means that you have an equal opportunity to be given the study drug arm or the control arm. A group of trial participants are randomly assigned using a computer-generated sequence to either receive the experimental treatment or the standard treatment. What is the control arm? In all of the COVID-19 clinical trials, the control arm includes what we call standard treatment or routine medical care, which may or may not include dexamethasone. This is the care that would be provided to you if you were to choose not to participate in the study. So, what are the steps that are involved in participating in a COVID-19 clinical trial? First, you will watch this short video. Then you can let your nurses or doctor know that you want to hear more information about what studies are currently ongoing. The study staff will explain the trials to you in detail. Basic clinical information will be collected about you to ensure that you qualify for the trial and that it's safe for you to participate. Once you've had all of your questions answered and agreed to participate, you will sign an informed consent form, or someone in your family will do this on your behalf. You will then be randomly assigned to a treatment or control group. It's important to note that you will receive the same routine medical care whether you are in the treatment or control group. You'll follow the trial procedures and report any issues or concerns to your healthcare team. You will continue to see your doctor regularly for your health care during the study duration. If you are in the hospital with confirmed COVID-19, there are several studies here in Winnipeg that you may be eligible to participate in. You can sign up for none, 1, 2, or 3 of these studies. What studies are ongoing here in Winnipeg? First, if you are hospitalized with COVID-19, you may be eligible to participate in CATCO, Canadian Treatments for COVID-19. This study is being conducted with the World Health Organization to look at different treatment options for COVID-19 around the world. You may be eligible for this study whether you are in the intensive care unit or you are hospitalized on the ward. If you are not in the intensive care unit, you may be eligible to participate in ATTACK, which studies the use of a drug that can help thin the blood, or CONCOR, which is a study that looks at blood products collected from individuals who have already had the coronavirus infection, called convalescent plasma. If you are in the intensive care unit, you might be eligible to participate in REMAP-CAP COVID-19, which studies blood thinners and different drugs that can help modify the immune response. You can get more information from your physician or nurse and let them know if you're interested in participating in clinical trials. They will provide you with a lot of detail about these studies before enrolling you. This includes all of the potential risks and benefits of participating in a clinical trial. They will also make sure to answer any questions that you have before you agree to participate. Thank you for watching this video and considering participating in COVID-19 clinical trials.